Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we are making chocolate chin chin. I will start by measuring out dry ingredient into a sieve, add in flour, add in pure cocoa powder, powder milk, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, and sugar, and I will sift. I'll use a spatula to break the lumps. And that is done. Whisk it very well till everything is well combined. Next, add in butter, and I'll be using a pastry blender to blend it till everything is well mixed. You can also do this by hand as well. And that is done. And I'll be adding water, and I'm using room temperature water, and I'll be adding the water gradually till it forms a dough. And I'm going to be working with my clean hands, and I'll go ahead to mix it very well till everything comes together. And I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much. And if you are not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe and put on the notification bell, which will enable you to get notified when I upload video. I'm going to cover it and leave it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna be kneading it for about a minute or two, and you do not need to over knead the dough. If not, the chin chin is going to be hard instead of being crunchy. And that is done. I will divide the dough. I'll keep those ones aside, and I will be flouring the work surface, and I will roll out the dough. And that is done. I'm going to be using a pizza cutter to cut the chin chin, and I'm going for two styles here. I'll be cutting the long strips one, and I'll be cutting the traditional style as well. I will tell you the story behind this chocolate chin chin. My little boy KZM came up with chocolate puff puff, which is on my channel already. KZM came up with this chocolate chin chin. We were sitting down one day and he said, "Can we make chocolate chin chin?" I asked him, "How do we do that?" He said, "Just the way we made the chocolate puff puff, and we make this chin chin." The boy is so much in love with chocolate, but now he is asking if we can make chocolate jollof rice. For that one, I have no idea on how to make it. If anyone have idea on how to make the chocolate jollof rice, please drop me a comment down below, and that will be very helpful. Thank you so much. So I will just go ahead to separate them so they don't stick together, and I will take those ones out. And the next one, I will go ahead to roll it out. Add in some flour. This will prevent it from sticking together. I always add the flour when I'm rolling it. I don't like adding flour when I'm done rolling it. This is how I like to do mine. So I'm going to be using the other side of this pizza cutter to cut the other shape. So I will go ahead and cut like so. I'm just going to repeat the process till I am done. Keep watching. I'm going to be deep frying the chin-chin, and when I was almost done cutting the chin-chin, I put the oil on the stove already, and the oil is heating up. And that is done. So here they are. It's time to start frying the chin-chin. I'll be checking the oil to see if the oil is hot, and this oil is hot already. I will add in the first batch of chin-chin that I cut, and I'm frying on medium to high heat. I'll stir the chin-chin very well to separate them. So this is where it gets a little bit tricky, because the chin-chin is already brown. It's not going to be golden brown to know that it's ready. It's going to be darker than how it was when it went into the oil. And from the strainer, you will feel the dryness of the chin-chin, and the bubbles in the oil will reduce as well. So now the chin-chin is ready. I'll take them out of the oil and use a paper towel to collect the chin-chin. And I will add the other batch into the oil and repeat the same process. So these ones are ready as well, and I'll take them out of the oil. And the chin-chin is ready. It was very crunchy and super delicious. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.